Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Adam, back with another video. Today, went to Walmart. I bought this 2012 score for $11.98. But the receipt, it says only $9.98. See that? $9.98. But the box says $11.98. So I saved $2. It has 7 cards per pack, 11 packs inside. Wow. Hopefully, I can get Andrew Luck rookie. So hot in my room. Oh my god, I'm burning. I just got out of work. Decided to go to Walmart, pick up some groceries for dinner and a beer. Because it's Monday night. Let's open the pack. 11 packs inside. There's 7 cards per pack. It'd be nice if I can get a hit. I doubt it. It's hard to get a hit. With my cam. Pack 1. Here the cards look like. Right there. Nothing special. It looks so plain and boring to me. Got insert numbers game is Brendan Banks. Kick return yards 1174. And the rookie of Kendall Wright, Beanie Wells. That was pack 1. Did I mention how hot in this room is? Yeah, it's pretty hot. Okay. John Abraham, the rookie of Mark Tyler. I never heard of him. Levant Brazil, and the rookie of Marvin Jones. That was 2. Wow, look at this pack. This pack has only, like, so thin. What's in there, I wonder. Look at that. 1 pack inside. Can you believe that? 1 pack. 1 card inside. I thought it was 7 cards inside. I thought it maybe an auto or something. 1 stinking card. Really? Look at that. This is my first time seeing this. Felix Jones. Only 1 card inside. Wow. Does this happen to me? It happens to other people too. 1 card. Okay. I cannot believe I just seen that with my own eyes. On my PC, whatever that is. TJ Graham rookie and Kendall Hunter. Gabbert. In the zone, Kevin Johnson. RG3. So far, he's pretty good in the preseason. We'll see how he does in the regular season. I cannot believe I got 1 card in that pack. Wow, that's amazing. This guy's in jail. You know what I do with this guy? I do this. That's what I do. I just rip it off. Brian Quick rookie for my PC. And Michael Smith. Michael Hart. Love Robinson. Hot rookies. Lamar Miller. Pretty cool. Morris Claiborne. So far, no Andrew Luck rookie yet. Jimmy Graham. Navarro Bowman. Matchup. Ah, there it is. Hot rookies. Russell Wilson. Pretty cool. Got a Russell Wilson. Hot rookie. Going Upshaw and wait more. 3 more packs to go. Now, if I do get a hit, I guess I get over, with 1 card, 1 pack. But I doubt I will get a hit. Golden. Rogers. Complete players. Tampa, Holly. Okay. Excuse me. Ron Headley. 2 more packs to go. Urlacher, Bush, Chandler, Bowen, Charles Woodson rookie. Wow. Charles Woodson. His rookie was 2011 or 12. Charles Woodson. If I can get it. Focus. I doubt it. Oh well. Charles Wilson. Fletcher. Cox. And Ladarius Green. Okay, now it's focusing on this. Charles Wilson. Okay. Last chance to get Andrew Luck. I doubt it. Anyway, Anderson, Williams, Alexander. Numbers game of Patrick Peterson. Pretty cool. Zoom in. There it is. Zoom out. Zoom in. Zoom out. Rookie of Alfred Morris and something in Holmes. I also got 2 packs mailday. Let's see what's in here. I think it's got from eBay. This is the eBay one, the jersey from this is Kenta Ameda, Akakale Collections rookie, number out of 99, 60 of 99. There it is. There it is. Pretty cool. 2016. Kenta Meta jersey. And of course it's in a PWE. Another pickup, eBay. I think this is Jerry Goff. I think. It is. Yep. Jerry Goff 2016 Total Certified Prism. Next new generation. It's not number, I don't think. No. For my PC, Jerry Goff. As you see clearly, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. So I wrote down some fun facts about me. And this is about me. Fun facts about me. I love Sprite, a Mountain Dew, or Dr. Pepper. I work 80 hours a week. I only drink beer on Monday nights. And this is my Mountain Dew. There it is. QT. Mountain Dew. So hopefully, other YouTubers can do the same. We want to know each other. Tell me what you like. What don't you like, And I guess I'll start with this. So hopefully other people will do the same thing at the end of the video and tell them something about themselves. So thank you guys for watching. I see you next time on my video. Bye. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Bye.